In this video, I will be discussing several ways you can use PVC pipe for your garden projects. Check the description below for more in-depth information for each one of these suggestions. First, we have a trellis for plants like tomatoes. In a big enough yard, you can use PVC pipe to build really big frames. In this garden I was once attending to, I used some smaller diameter pipe to act as a stake to allow the longer and wider diameter pipe to stand upright. Once the structure is standing, some string or other method of tying up plants can be used to keep the plants upright. Number 2, we have frame for fencing to keep out pests. I ran into a problem where I had rabbits eating at my grapevines. The solution I came up with was to build a cage around my young plants. I used PVC to form a frame around my containers, and then wrapped some chicken wire around the frame. The chicken wire was secured with several zip ties. Since building this, I haven't had any additional rabbit attacks on my plants. Number 3, we've got a soil sifter. Some PVC pipe with some finer mesh wire can be used to make a soil sifter. I made mine a few years back and it's been invaluable for preparing soil for new containers. 4, we've got frame for a seed starting rack. You can use PVC pipe as furniture. It is strong enough to support multiple nursery racks and even lighting if you plan to use this indoors. Compared to building this style of structure out of wood, it is a lot easier to tear down and store if ever needed to be moved. Number 5, we have an irrigation system. Most PVC pipe is made for irrigation purposes. PVC is very cost effective in conjunction with fittings and sprinklers. You can use it as part of a sprinkler network in your backyard, either above or underground, or you can try something creative at a smaller scale if you do not happen to own the land you're living on. In general, PVC is safe for conveying water, and most irrigation and drinking water systems use PVC pipe. I hope you found some inspiration for a new project in your garden after watching this video. Be sure to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe if you'd like more videos like these. Check out some of our other project videos for more ideas and plans. We'll see you in the next one.